What's going on, crazy gamer modeling fans? Today I have something model related that is for a game. And this is the prize for Love Minis, who won my 75th subscriber giveaway. And his response to top 5 factions was orcs can loot anything. So anything that an orc could loot from any faction, he was down with. Unfortunately, I don't know what that means because I don't know orcs at all. I don't really know a lot about Xenos factions. So I was digging through what I had to offer him, and we had talked about he liked terrain, and he liked any kind of terrain. So I found a specific piece of terrain I think will make the perfect prize for the giveaway. Orcs Mech Boy Workshop. So this is what you're getting. I'm going to build this, I'm going to prime this, and I'm going to send this to you. Apparently the orcs are not included. So this is what this is the prize for Love Minis right here. This is what he won, 75th subscriber. This is what he gets. Let's take a look at the back. Here's what you got. You got some rules included, which I will make sure you get a copy of. You got some orc barricades. You got the Mech Boy Workshop. You got all kinds of little tools there. That's crazy. All kinds of... Well, they really just slap some stuff together, don't they? It'd be a good kit bashing thing. Alright, let's take a look inside what's inside this this prize he's getting. Alright. So we got a Mech Boy Workshop book. Take a look at that in a minute. And we got some very familiar Citadel plastic. And it appears we have some... These must be the barricades. Nice detail on those. I mean, Citadel plastic. That was a 2018 model. So, well, this Sprue anyways was 2018 molded. So it's a year old. It's not bad. It's going to be nice to clean up. And it looks like this whole thing's from 2018. So some more of the barricades. I don't think any of this, not a lot to glue up in this one, I don't think. Maybe on the workshop side of things. So here we go. There you go. Here's all the tools put on there. I'll put a nice light non-filling primer on there, and he'll be able to pick out all those tools real nice. So looks good. A little piece of a little crane there. Okay. And then we got this last one here. We got a drill, a little claw, a little orc symbol. Oh, that's an orc symbol right there. As I said, I'm not real familiar with orcs. That looks like a piece of an engine. Cool. So I'm not real familiar with orcs, but I'm gonna build this up for Love Minis because he won this contest. So let's take a look at what we got here. We got, well, we're going to be doing some wall pieces with making a door and a top spot. So we're going to be adding some various things in the shelf with the tools, tool tape, tool bench. Okay. And then we have this here, this crane section with the symbol, but we don't glue it to the wall piece, so you could change it around or slide it back and forth, I would suppose. Well, that's nice. That'll make it easier to ship to them. So then we have the little crane arm going on that doesn't get glued either. Then we have the engine going together, hanging from the little hook. And then we have some different tools being not glued on there. The toolbox, the wrench. And that's what it can look like there. And there is another drawing of each side. I'm just curious to see what these rules are. because I did used to play Warhammer. I'm unable to get out of the house to do that anymore. So this is a single model. After it is set up, a Mech Boy workshop is treated as terrain feature. It cannot move for any reason, is treated as friendly or enemy model, and cannot be targeted or affected by attacks or abilities. Okay, so it gives boost to the orcs. I'm not going to read all that. It's a lot to read. So here's what the little scatter terrain part looks like. So, love minis. This is what you're getting. I hope you like it. I hope you find it worthy of a 75th subscriber prize. Look forward to the next video on this, and I am going to build it up and then show it off prime to you, and then we're going to talk about getting it in the mail over to you. So that's going to do it for this for Crazy Gamers Models. Oh, one more thing. There'll be another giveaway at 100 subscribers, something different. So subscribe, like, all that good stuff, and you could win something awesome too. Crazy Gamer Models, I am the Crazy Gamer. You guys have a fantastic day.